It's just another day on the farm here at Tipton Family Farm, and today there is a lot going on. Trying to get everything up and going so we can get these goats in, the chickens in, the rabbits in, and the bees in. Let me show you just some of the things that we're doing right now. So as we make our way, guess what? Yes, fencing. And we are working on a fence. There's one of my buddies coming down off the hill right there. How we doing? Good, how are you? Good. So we're getting this fence in. We're going to do, I got 5 acres here, probably 3 acres of it we're going to fence. And you can see that we are going right up that hillside with that fence. I'll show you more as we go. But finally, we're going to be going. Here's that old trailer that hopefully is going to be out of here soon. You can see the post over there. We're going down that way. Then we're going to go up the hill. We're going to go up the hill on both sides and try to get this all ready for the goats. And then we'll start working on this side over here. This will be the second rotation that we'll put the goats into. Right here. And then I'll put an arrow on here. This is going to be the third rotation. Right up in there where we're clearing out the land. We're still working and clearing out the land. Why am I doing this when y'all are standing here? We are having fun now. Appreciate these guys coming out and helping me out with this. You can tell he's the boss because he just sits around and just holds the poles. Well, we got about another, probably about another 10 foot. I can't see that fence from here. About another 20 foot up in there. Somewhere in there.
30.
About another 30 foot.
30 foot, about where I'm at.
Yeah. Man, I know this makes people feel good. You know what makes them feel so good seeing you do that? Because they know that they're not doing it. We'll film some more when we get up there on the trail.